Welcome to Mark and Westy's expedition along the River Tay in Scotland. He's Mark and I'm Westy, and that's where we're going, down there all the way to Perth. Okay, let's go. Right, cool. So we're here at the end of day one. Not too bad, is it?
Oh yeah, we've done. We started at 11 o'clock this morning.
Yeah.
Where was it?
Crianlarich.
Yeah. And we've done 12 miles to this point here, which is 2.5 miles from Killin. It was steady away, wasn't it?
Yeah, easy going, pretty easy.
On what we would class as a class 3 rapid, and the rest was just bimbling along.
Yeah, it was. Yeah. I mean, a lot of it was flat, and because of the time of the year, because we had to go in August, there was a lot of water, so there were quite a few places where we were getting stuck. But the places where it was actually we could go, we had our sails.
Yeah, we had a good chance to try out our sails. Unfortunately, my AliExpress one was total pants, so I used a Sea Summit Sill umbrella, and yeah, it was pretty good. I have to give it, it wasn't bad at all, was it? Had its moments.
It did the job. It did the job. It did look like Mary Poppins going down the river, but apart from that,
no, it was. It worked well. I wouldn't say it was, my go-to sail, but it was certainly a good sail to use today to get us out of the shit, because my sail didn't work at all.
Yeah, that's cool. We bumped into two lads who were they were going down the river. They actually got to Crianlarich and they made their own raft out of, what did they say it was?
They used 2 pallets and I think something like 4 drums, and they were making like a castaway style makeshift raft. And fair play to them. You've got to give them a lot of respect to whoever they are. We didn't get. I don't know if they had a YouTube. They did really well. They were doing really well. We hit some strong winds. They tried to sort of make their own tarp sail, and it just went to pieces. And unfortunately, we sort of cruised away. But hopefully, we're going to meet them again before. We said we'll get them a beer in Perth if they make it.
Yeah. We're looking. We're just camped out down by the river. So if they do come back by, we'll see them. But I don't think they're going to be here.
No.
If they get here, they'll be here at lunchtime tomorrow, because they weren't moving very quickly at all. So.
The midges aren't too bad. We're doing all right. we're just going to get some grub on in a minute, have a bit of a fire, and just chill out, have a few beers, bit of port, get ready for tomorrow.
Yeah, good stuff.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.